I met Dr. Inder at an ISHRS workshop in San Francisco, California in 2013. She attended an FUE training workshop that I held, and she participated in this meeting. Subsequent to this, she visited my office to get more training in hair restoration surgery, particularly follicular unit extraction. Since this time, we've met at numerous conferences and discussed her progress. In 2014, I visited her office in Malaysia, where we held a hands-on live surgery demonstration of follicular unit extraction, where we trained a number of physicians. Dr. Inder has purchased a number of the machines that I manufacture for follicular unit extraction and to maintain the temperature of grafts. She uses all the new and latest instruments that I develop. I would like to congratulate Dr. Inder on her new office. I want to recommend her highly to the patients in Malaysia for hair restoration surgery and in particular for follicular unit extraction. Okay.